Recently, a Rajkumar Hirani movie, Donkey, was released in India. And in this movie, we have seen by now the illegal immigrant. It is shown in the movie. And that is acted by the Shah Rukh Khan, Taapsee Pannu and other actors too. And this is the real life. This is the real life illegal immigration from India to Western developed nation. This is the real life. But at the same time, when real life is going on, okay, at the present, a real life illegal immigration from India to Western nation, it is came to light. As we know, in the France, the 303 Indians were captured by the France government at the Vétro airport near Paris. There is a airlines, that's name is the Romanian Airlines, Legend Airlines. Through the Legend Airlines, 303 Indians from UAE, United Arab Emirates, from UAE, they are going to at that time, they were going to the Nicaragua. Nicaragua is a country that is situated in the North America. Okay? And 303 Indians were going. And in this way, that is called a human trafficking. And from when they reached to the Nicaragua, then they would go from the Nicaragua to the Mexico. And after that, from the Mexico to cross the border of the the border is situated between America and Mexico, US and Mexico, they enter the America or US. In this way, in this illegal way, these Indians were trying to go to the America. First of all UAE, after that Nicaragua, then Mexico, and then after they enter the America illegally. So in this way, and it is going on now, and France government have captured when this flight is landed at the Vétro airport near Paris for the technical checkup of the flight. And from there, when Indian embassy intervened this matter, and after that 276 Indians out of the 303 Indians from the flight, they returned back to India. They returned to the India. But 25 Indians and 2 minors, those are going to the Nicaragua. Okay, these are going to the Nicaragua, and they wanted to enter into the US through the Mexico border. They had applied for the asylum in France. 25 adult and 2 minors. So this is the total story, and there is no shortcut for the success. For the new generation, we need to understand that you can go anywhere as per your eligibility. So don't make any shortcut and do as per your personality and to maintain the prestige of your country and prestige of yourself.